Today we are going to solve word problem of addition. Like for example, we have a question. Rajiv purchases a sofa set and a dining set costing rupees 36,875 and 87,365 respectively. Means Rajiv purchases one sofa set of this much amount and a dining set of this much amount. How much he has to pay in all? So we have to calculate total how much he has to pay. So how we will write? Cost of sofa set rupees 36,875. Cost of dining set 87,365. How we will calculate the total cost of the both sofa set and dining set? How we will write? Total cost of sofa set and dining set is 36,875, 87,365 plus 4, here 2, carry 1, 2. Hence, this is the total amount which Rajiv has to pay for both sofa set and dining set. Let us come to next example. The population of 4 blocks in a colony are 27,835, 35,947, 47,608 and 19,418 respectively. What is the total population of the colony? How we will write? Number of population in first block, you can say first block 27,835. Similarly, we will write number of population in second block, number of population in third block, similarly number of population in fourth block. 19418. So total number of population, you can say total population in colony. We will simply add 27835, 35947, 47608, 19418. 80803. Hence, this is the total population of the colony. Moving to the next question. If any question it has been asked like in a particular year, the male population of a city was 37,989 more than. Remind this thing, the male population was more than female population. How much it was more? This much, 37,989. If the number of females is B 148,796, if number of female was this much and the number of male population was itna more much was more was from female population, then what was the total male population? How we will write? Like for example, number of male population which was more than female population. How much? 37,989. Number of female population total number of male population. How much it will come? By adding these two population. Sorry, 796,841. 58768. This was the total number of male population. Now it is asking what was the total population of that year. Now we have male population, we have female population, then total population 186,785. And this female population we will add 796,841 by adding both numbers. 185,533. This was the total population of that year. Like this we will solve all the problems of the exercise. Thank you.